rested, it is well. Daddy, wherever God has taken you, may you rest in peace. And to the artist fraternity, please, let this legacy live on. Please keeping on, remembering what my father has done. And on that, may us all artists expand the artist industry. From where he has left us, may we even grow bigger. Luckily enough, on his last days, on the bedside, he accepted the Lord Jesus Christ. That alone meant so much to our family. And I know and believe that where my father, Alex Mukulu, is resting is the right place.
That's right.
Words cannot express what this great mind did to the country of Uganda. But all we can say is for every good, every right he did for the country, let us remember him. Let us remember him. Let us remember my father. Let us remember Alex Mukulu. Thank you so much. The organizing committee, Abe Muchibi and the team, we are grateful. We are grateful. Grateful. He used to sing while closing some productions, a song that used to touch me. I don't know if you know, but I would like us to slowly go through it. It used to say, through it all, I've learned to trust in Jesus. I've learned to trust in God. That through it all, I've learned to depend upon the Lord. Do we know this? Can we sing just one more time? Through it all. Through it all. Mpola. Through it all, I've learned to trust in Jesus. I've learned to trust in God. Through it all. I've learned to depend upon the Lord. Thank you.
Omukama mulungi ekiseera kyonna